All right. Abusia beda wase ama wakwa aba Bini TV so anopen so ya sanso ya tenase biem. Abusia hia ya chepa yenim se afie mu no nkomo ba ko mienu miensa aba abonten a atwa se ya tenase na ye ka ho asem. Eni opani kase Mr. Eric Kofi wasa achempem ena hia anopai. Abusia nko ne nchen enkobuza se de napomtie ye ba ye de nkomo na beto aso. Good morning boss.
Good morning, sir.
Na apomo e. Okay. Ye share ya che pa ye. Na anopa ye share wa anopa ye na eboko. Ye bebo nkomo afa concerning na bada yi levy. Any D levy ne omankonkono Ghana we are observing now no. Ye ni kan no. Say na abeka fa yi levy ho. We are na say na waka fa D levy ho. Ye wi na afa ye de nkomo nyina aba na wie ye. Nti ye ni kan no abusia ena nkomo ye tena ho ase ene yi levy ni D levy no. Emu dian ena abepese enka ubetua. Se ubetua D levy no. Ana se ubetua yi levy. Obi be say yi levy ye dai. Aye e kan se uye transfer na yate sika kakra oso. Sa na D levy no so akoye dum so levy. Yankwa pani nkase nchen enkobusa no enkomo ye hu asem. Ba pani ye ni kan ko yi levy no. Yi levy omankonkono Ghana ye observe under Nana Akufo-Addo Dankwa, His Excellency, the President of Ghana, ne pension no. Say na be fa ka wo ho.
Edi kan medi kan akasafa etwo gege wo man. Man bia wempuntu ejina etwo gege ho.
Okay.
Na sese Ghana nanka we nsusuye mu no. Edum pempenso a yosenka ye twen ho fi etwo gege ho nanka ye move ko bebi anka ye dibetime de ye sika kakra won be sendwumadi bi mu a ebetime ama ye sika.
Okay.
Nanso kakra mpo a ye wo man Ghana ni mpo no entimi ma ye sika.
Okay.
For instance produced by a company oseka etimi tokuku nanka nya so mfaso no.
Okay.
Omutimi tokuku ama ye boka.
Okay.
Bank of Ghana enton ade anya hwe etimi ya me boka.
Okay.
So to think of say engaging some enterprise be generate sika no, there's also another thing else.
Okay.
Kopim say Ghana for na nkasa ye be say suban no.
Okay.
Be ho amai.
Okay.
And now oman bia so say o pese otumpon a.
All right.
Ejina etuo.
Sir.
Jije so na ebitin dey tumpon because aban bia ni wa obefri obabe ya aban a obekwakofa ni kum japade ana ni fie sike bi
okay.
Ya be edwumede bi ama oman no.
Okay.
Eye etuo kakra ya jije no.
Okay.
Ena betimi aboaye ama itimi di.
Okay, bra penny intina ye bisa se under the government of His Excellency Akufo-Addo wetwam ekono ye gigi yi levy se na abefa ka ho ebo manfo no ana se uhunu sai.
Okay. Fast forward 2022 somewhere March ene nyan ntia se aban ne pese de etuo bi ba.
Okay.
Etuo afen levy electronic transaction levy as wo seniska ana wo jiska free that medium no so a ye betu sika kakra.
Okay.
You hu ne se oman ni mu ayedin.
All right.
Se ne bi din kan no aban bi ani wo obekwakofa ne japade ana obekwakofa ne bisu japade abebo amomai tise atuo ya ti finance minister then Ken Ofori-Atta ehun say okay there is a pool of resource somewhere a bit me atape nanka yenyiska ne ye dia boy ho bra na I think the expected amount to be generated there is somewhere 2.something billion.
Hey.
But unfortunately education now kui
okay.
The amount was not realized. I could do maybe we have to go back to IMF for bailout near there. And I think say it was a nice idea, but so passive you need to have the buy-in of the people.
Okay.
It was not bad. When you're bad, say initially it was 1.5% from a transaction be obey.
Okay.
And now senka on my phone in Ajitu oh okay say netie ye be say atwe ho ya na say ye nya hoɔden bi ɛwɔ sikasɛm mu
All right.
sɛ ne be ya ye be de ho ɛwɔ ahokyere bi a be ba yɛn so
Okay.
nanka yɛtumi aboa na mmom menam sɛ nkyerɛkyerɛ no ne ankɔ yi ama ɔtemanfoɔ no nti amanfoɔ pɛ kwan bi so adwaneeɛ nti I think say it was nice but generation ne collection no anye yielded the better results.
Okay. Menim sɛ ɔman yi, ɔman konkono Ghana, anaasɛ ɔman biara no is ruled by a budgeter obɛredi ama ne manfoɔ concerning about sɛdeɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔbɔ bla no ɛwɔ sikasɛm ho ɛwɔ ne man mu. Another 2022 year wɔkan ya no, was it in the budget sɛ yɛba bɛte yi levy bi anaasɛ sɛ?
I think it happened in the second quarter, somewhere March. But the buy-in say, all pass budget.
Okay.
You need to have the buy-in of both side of the house.
Okay.
And the Koba say now minorities are Montiasi. Emma Koba say Omutuaba.
Okay.
And during the voting, now speaker, Anka Senior, and now I think. The deputy speaker, the first, this man, Joe Wise, and I bet na kunyemwana, or she said bibi akoso. Nti na a minority for no concern says, so what be a speaker there, then you don't have voting rights.
All right.
But not waba.
Okay.
Eme kupi court.
Okay.
Now, Ubisa said no budgeting, man. I say any budgeting. Yes, emphasis no budgeting.
Okay.
But you need to have the consensus of the house.
All right.
And on the court, no. Instead of saying Supreme Court, so ebe boy Ghana for can be so no. Almost so Omanyan sa. Emma we say pass be and sa on also the ruling neighbor, which has nothing to do with case number the court bill.
Okay.
Because it has no relevance anymore.
Okay.
The person way no manya yevi.
Okay. And dinami bisa se yi levy buy no ebo oman no ana se eba ne sei. Esan se abusia ye kasa ba bedudum so levy ye di levy no ho asem. Enti ansa ne bedudum so na twase ye hu se yi levy no ebo aye. Se ebo aye adenti ne yan to aso under the government of President John Dramani Mahama otwa mu a afa de odi dum so levy aba. Enti bra pede na me bisa se ebo a oman konkono Ghana ana se ebe ha aye. Esan se minim se nka moaye ya nka menyini se bia nka yebedi se to no.
Very good. It was the expectation. Nanka buying as you say kebe boye.
All right.
And it's all share ya before the passage of e-levy. Baby obe complain bi o meka cho say e-levy. Yembo ma e-levy mbra. Emma atofo sen kraka say e-levy abedane eduro bi ayenim bon cream.
Okay.
Ti yo ya bon cream on da yo ya bon cream ma oya no. Where everything e-levy.
Okay.
Infrastructure e-levy.
Okay.
Bibia e-levy.
Okay.
Emma yeah edin a na yeah very common e-levy. Bibia school dan e-levy.
Okay.
Hospital e-levy.
Okay.
Everything was moving around e-levy.
Okay.
Dina expectation ka no ba ebe boaye. Madam Kobasa.
Okay.
Introduction of e-levy. I think getting to the end of the year now you're running to IMF.
All right.
Meanwhile, the finance minister then catch her and say, so it's me passing e-levy we can generate money enough to sustain the economy.
All right.
But engineer massa and clearly Ube said no policy nam waye.
Okay.
And I believe that the reason why I'm buying buying now when you're from the people no.
Okay.
And no count.
Okay.
And I think there was need for enough consultation before
right.
okay. The 1% or initially almost started from 1.5%, which was almost high. Some of very best in about 1%, I think was a little bit good.
Okay.
And see, it didn't achieve its purpose.
Okay. To see an abusa ya say yi levy no amo ma konkono Ghana. Enta kodru say ye betwam esan say ye hu mfasodie bi ye wo so. Yambra under the government of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the Republic of Ghana, ye mampani, eba ye no, bera oba no, obefa akonya no, atena so no, eba o share Ghana for ne se yi levy oba obetwam, watwam ye da ase. De ne ba ye ama fe de yako design ɛto afoforo asa ba yɛ friend D Levy enti mpɛsɛ mbisa sɛ ɔman pani John Dramani Mahama yi Levy na ɛda so na ɔmpɛ ana sɛ
I think two different things. E-levy, electronic transaction levy.
okay
Expected to be charged from electronic transaction.
okay
And we even though e-levy, any D-levy, I refer to do so levy, but energy sector levy. Okay. Just like ESLA, introduced you some time ago to recover debt in the energy sector.
Okay.
But we need another form of it. Abane shade him say, there was a challenge in the energy sector in power generation.
All right.
Now more attributed to fuel and then on power the termites for power. And see now or shade himself benya sika bi wo baby nanka atom of fuel na it may generate power.
Okay.
And so fast forward or you say okay your share system we came to maybe meet a petrol at a high price and by the good and I say measures put in place ama petrol boat me at from kakra. And see, why don't we tax the petroleum sector? Send a bear bit me generate BB or feed energy sector. Now, it is important to know say we are buying over two problem. You don't complain, but you find a way of solving it.
Okay.
And some policies will not be popular.
Okay.
But you need to do it.
All right.
Send a bear the situation can be solved.
Okay.
And you say, okay, it is not good enough to be taxing the people.
Okay. So why is he taxing the people?
Very good. It is because the problem needs to be solved.
Okay.
And the OSHA or say the 1 cedi tax will not even have any impact on the fuel price. And you know that, you bear with me, say, from the start of the year, now petrol no war somewhere 17 cities somewhere, and by God's grace and also interventions of the markets, it may drop here about 11 cities, 12 cities, 10 cities. The only 1 city in the crowd equal to SWA, it is not equal to as it were. Okay, and to help you and to help the government, we all need to. My culture say there is no government over Kokofa Nebuche Sika.
Okay.
Economy no.
Right.
Unless we generate the money from within, from the citizens.
Okay.
Who wants to be feed well and also who wants to be given better services. Okay. And so ready say, okay, we have crisis. Let us address it. How do we address it? If there is any better way of addressing it, fine. But for now, we have a problem we need to address. He has proposed another form which we can manage to solve it. And then the good news is that I say it's just an intermittent program you're all running.
Okay.
So young day will be a bit media to fuel. I think that will go off. And even if fuel prices rise here, I don't think there will be a need for us to still have that 1 cedi levy on the fuel again.
And you see, comparing the E levy no, any D levy no, say na can follow.
Very good. In any case, both of them are policy to address issues.
Okay.
But one thing every government must take into account the buy-in of the people. Okay. So when you have the buy-in of the people, your policy will succeed. But when you have buy-in of the people, your policy might be good but will not succeed. People will sabotage you. Okay. For instance, Mama is having that goodwill of the people. Say he's trying to address the doom shop. No matter who you are, you do like that, you complain. Won't you?
Yes.
You complain. And this Obi say major 1 cedi. Now me so good why won't you support him?
But so one can't say about Badia 1 cedi I support too. It's answer energy sector what that no. Sanka wa ma ke besenya light.
Very good. And I make sure say when you come to meet a problem, you don't complain, but you find a way of solving it.
Okay, na
Now,
sɛ mentwa wano ɔkasa mu kyerɛ sɛ energy sector dadafoɔ no ɛna abɔ saa aka no ato hɔ ɛsiane sɛ nka ɔmo wɔ hɔ anka bade sa nka ɔmo mmɛka nkyɛ sɛ ntua dum sɔ levi anaboa
no.
nti ɔmo kɔ na ɔmo asabotage aban no de saa aka bi saa ato hɔ anaasɛ ɛyɛ ade a afei ne yɛakɔdu saa aka no.
Well, they contributed in Sai Ekano.
Okay.
And the previous government also contributed to Sai Ekano. But we cannot still keep on esa ye can kwa ne kodenim.
And this is young there. Yeah, now we am for mano. Yeah, yɛnyɛ dwuma mmetua ka na na
And I made sure say,
okay.
Say no. I didn't say na fuo at a certain peak.
All right.
And then nyamia dum by God's grace. It's me at Siaba baby.
Okay.
And the infant say at say and crown president na nyawhe. Even though the oil sector is not managed by the presidency, it is managed by its own.
Okay.
It is managed by the market. Esutia, I'm not going to say automatically.
So tuma.
And so
betun. Yes sir.
And the we no abana who say okay. Yenya relief bi wo ho. Yenya ahonto kakra bi wo ho. And so the bibi kakra to so. Maybe when they say the 1 cedi per liter na a little bit harsh because so ukoto be 100 liters, then you are going to pay about 100 cedis.
Okay.
And a little bit harsh. So if they can think of it and maybe do it some way, be a bit my boy in but
it's not say you live in utua now utua 500 cedis na scared as 5 cedis.
5 cedis.
But do live you know say auto 500 cedis scared as 80 cedis. Let us say o compare ade also be de yen akobọ cha so no afei de ye baaya na de ye kofwe muni sisi ano ye pese ye compare the year levy and the day levy how important with the system no ebeboa ye say osusu say nimienu no say na be kan fa ho.
Well, for e-levy, both of them are to address a peculiar problem.
Okay.
E-levy was not able to do it.
Okay.
Because of some sabotage near DNT.
All right.
I see people saying, say, if we are not careful, the same thing will happen to D-levy, which is the new e-levy. But I don't see it that way because there is no way you can evade. You know, once you are a petrol consumer, where then you pay for it at the pump. And I've heard people saying that the reason why its implementation have delayed some concern raised by the oil marketing companies.
All right.
Or more concern is they want to have the calibration in their system before its you can say implementation.
Okay.
And yes, Adianka GRU is ever ready to start collecting those. And the government is also trying to make a lot of consultation to see how possible or meeting implement it. And so if you have a government who is ready to engage people, say he's ever ready to listen to the concern.
Okay.
And it will be you can say just loving for people to pay.
Okay.
Say my what about me say no watch me say me person me discount with the koyi.
Okay.
No watch me say okay. Okay, all the koyi we ma dia tu. Na mu yenye ni say na me so ntimi ntua. Na watch me again me so watch wadwen na ya dia tu ma. I think utua any problem. But it didn't happen that way. E-levy, everything was passed. And sana nam eka say utia e-levy and ebetimi esi school dan utia e-levy and ebetimi esi cheap compound.
Okay.
Nini echi there was a pothole somewhere.
Okay.
There was some aspect of the e-levy and the transaction, the electronic transaction, and then utia tax. O send it from merchant to merchant. You don't pay.
Yes.
And mind you, Ghanaians are Ghanaians. We so concerned. Until me call me was on the person me send sika. Now I want to avoid e-levy. Also, me send it through merchants. That's all. So there was a way to escape the e-levy, but for D-levy, I don't know how you can escape it, except you stop consuming fuel.
Okay. Abusua fɛn ni wawura mu ɛnɛ nkɔmɔ yɛde tena ase ɛyɛ D levy ɛne yi levy. Emu deɛ ayi na nka abɛpɛ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ adwuma ɔman kronkron Ghana mu. Ana emu deɛ ayi na abɛpɛ sɛ na nka abɛtua. Yɛntwa ho sima baako mmienu mmiɛnsa akyi yɛ ba a yɛde nkɔmɔ na wie yɛ bɛbrɛw. Alright, abusua sɛ deɛ di kan kɔ ɛka yɛ no yɛtwa ho sima baako mmienu mmiɛnsa akyi asan aba biem. Yɛde nkɔmɔ na wie yɛ ɛbrɛw. Ɛyɛ D levy ɛne yi levy. Obi bɛ sɛ D levy ɛdɛ dum so levy ɛwɔ Mahama abrɛ so ɛne yi levy ɛwɔ Nanado abrɛ so. Emu deɛ na nka abɛpɛ sɛ wobɛtua. Brapɛni yɛ bɛsɔre so na mi busa sisi a na ɔman kronkron Ghana D levy abɛsɛn yɛ kom yi levy ɛkɔ. Osusu sɛ ɛbɛbo ɔman no baako. Osusu sɛ ɔman no bɛnya so mfasoɔ mmiɛnsa. Osusu sɛ ɔkɔ abra ne nyi sika ne ngu ne bɔtɔm. Esan sɛ yi levy no sɛ nkatimi yɛ adwuma nka bɛyɛ a nkɛ nkwa IMF baako no ka ebi anka nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ anka so bɛyɛ de baare ebetwa. Osusu sɛ saa nneɛma yi sɛ na bɛka fa ho.
Let's start if we be or start first.
Okay.
Ɛbɛboa ɔman no.
Okay.
Ana ɛbɛboa ɔman no. Second, ɔman no bɛnya so mfasoɔ. Ɔman no bɛnya so mfasoɔ.
Okay.
Then you do D levy. In fact, do you know say energy sector levy?
Okay.
Energy sector levy. So it's E levy. No man for Danny denying
Doomso levy. Doomso levy.
Because it is coming to address Doomso.
Okay.
And they say be addressing Doomso. Now say we are going to get Faso also answer.
All right. Okay.
Doomso will be the thing of the past.
Okay.
Okay. If the money is generated properly, now it is put into proper use.
Okay.
Okay, we get Faso.
Okay.
Second, third one about Enkubu Obi Botum.
Okay.
Enkubu Obi Botum maybe it's about institutions.
Okay.
And it's about time as will be who say no the Oman is faced with a problem.
Okay.
And yet individual never contributes come one person with.
Okay.
We are faced with a problem, we want the problem to be solved.
Okay.
And therefore say we a state institution in charge of certain things make sure you deliver. Now you achieve your aim. Now it is also important that nimpana or the live in Abano.
Okay.
Or be making sure say he account to us say na me generate say near the
okay.
Say ne be next time.
Ituya.
Oh buy and change say.
Ye me jiska bi fufu
me me be fufu and from boa. You say oh okay. Oh kind oh yeah.
Okay.
And see. Over Kaya, I think somewhere Mahama previous administration not started something called the EXLA,
yes.
Energy Sector Levy, now also or the solve power generation.
Okay.
Or yeah, to the extent say time of say we have excess capacity.
Okay.
And so I think that if with the same mind and with the same approach, this way you bet me in some substantive resource out of the D levy.
Okay. Abusia hana brema kwan na yede nkomo ni nyina asie mi anopai mi tena ase. Me din ene Mr. Kufopen. Me ni opani kasia Mr. Eric Kofi ene tena ase ewo nkomo a yato ne din se yi levy ene D levy a yi levy eba nanado dankwa abreso. Ene D levy aba omanpani John Dramani Mahama His Excellency na abreso no. Emudian ena abepesa obetua. Abuja yanko opani kasia nchen yefa nkomo ni nyina asie. Mpacha ya sare so aseme na aka kire Ghana for education be na de mom concern about the D levy ehun hia ehun be hia se ye betua se ska no aseme na aka kire oman no mpanifo no se ehun hia ehun be hia se sika no de omo kan no mo je omo mfa nkoye aseme na aka kire opani kase o da se ska ya no se oje a mo mfa nkoshe no nkwan de botom
Elinkan oman bi eni wa obetimi develop without tax and then without tariffs.
Okay.
And they say, you develop it there, and then we should be ready to contribute a little for the development we aspire to get. And see, in the science, you say, oh man, you are who check a cream, you are who check my do so episode many, and see the episode solve it there, and yet yɛn nua yɛmfa koma pa ne ɔdɔ mfintua di levi no ɛna wɔn a wɔgyegye nso muhu ne sɛ yɛtua sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a wɔde bɛsɔlve yɛ haw ama yɛn
saa
nti akyina bi na ɔhaw no wɔ hɔ na wɔagyegye sika no ne yɛhu so mfa so a ɛbɛyɛ yɛ pii ɔman ne bɛsɔre atia mo nti mo ne a wɔgyegye sika ne wɔn a wɔhwɛ so yɛsrɛ momfa sika no nyɛ deɛ ɛwɔ sɛ ɛyɛ ɛna ade kakra bi a mpɛ sɛ meklarify I think e-levy also did something but just say the amount expected to generate no yɛnya and so sisi a no sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛachieve results ne di a then I will say yes yɛde yɛba in aban no na yɛtua na ɛtumi boa ma ɛyɛ nkɔsoɔ nnua ne sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛde solve how a ɛwɔ yɛn so yɛne dum so no nti nnua yɛmfa yɛ adwen ne yɛakoma ɛmfa nta akyire na ɛntumi mboa
abusua bɛda wase sɛ wonya akwanya ne dɔn na anɔpɛ yi wo ne yɛtena ase anɔpɛ yi wo na so yɛ asen Marriage Joy Ventures a wɔwɔ Akosomɔ abusua se openku spray ne deɛ keka ho saa abra na obenya bi ade ama wo ɛyɛ ade yɛ fɛ no Sovi key Sovi sɛ mpatɔ sɛ saa deɛ fɛ na nyɛ saa key Sovi sɛ key holder sɛ obi din birthday na ohu Marriage Joy Ventures a anɔpɛ yi ɔbɛboa wo mini ana Mr. Kufuor aha yɛ Bibini TV so ɛne yɛtena ase yɛbɛda wase sɛ onya akwanya ne dɔn na wode hwɛ yɛ yeah sorry sir thank you boss yes sir thank you sir hey we go feel